What up, what up?
How's this thing looking?
It's looking really fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. Lot of Groms.
Yeah, it's Grom size.
I know, I'm a big Grom today. I'm the biggest Grom.
Can you squeeze yourself into like a wedge here, or?
It's pretty small.
Or are you getting bigger and you can actually get it?
Yeah, we're kind of trying. We're trying to squeeze ourselves into these.
We've been down here all day. This is my third session. We had Eric Costin down here and his kid skimming earlier. And we're gonna do a vlog with Eric Costin this weekend. So I'm pretty fired up on that. Eric's gonna try skimming. He's kind of like way better than I thought already. He can get on and like turn and stuff. And his kid Finn is getting really good really quick. I think Finn's about Kai Thompson's age. So, oh my, watch Kaleo. Oh my.
The question we want to know is, are you gonna go street skating?
Dude, I didn't run that by him yet. We might have to convince him to take me to the barracks.
Are you gonna go down some Nami handrail?
No chance. No. I might like firecracker down a 3-stair, but.
Come on, Blair, make us proud.
No. Well,
come on.
I'll go skating if he wants to take me skating for sure. But
come on, let's go to El Toro.
no, thank you.
Blue Gates.
I'm good on that. All right, let's skim. It's on.
The pink Energizer bunny?
Energizer, dude. 100 words a minute?
Oh! He's right. two Groms down at once.
There you go.
I was going this way.
Oh, no, you, what?
I think you just went for one, dude.
I think you just went.
Nah.
Oh, Henderdank, you got it, dude. Oh my. Dude. Oh my. That kid's going all out right now.
Spinning his board.
Oh, he just showed
just showed me up.
That was sick.
I did that, but I did a lot less cool.
What's up, Andre?
How are the waves, Groms?
Pretty fun.
Yeah.
Definitely connecting. It's like every single other wave is perfect. And there's the river. Yeah, and there's a river right here. Oh, please hope it's still working. Risha! Oh!
If you're gonna go. Today. This is a special day. It's not often it's like this glassy in the afternoon, so we're gonna take full advantage. Be here till sunset.
Another sick one for Blair. So hot today.
Yeah, you're not picking the best ones.
As usual.
No, there was a couple of good ones.
Yeah. It's like Grom takeover right now though.
I like the tail release.
Yeah.
360 thing that was
Oh, okay, yeah, that was my best one.
Yeah, dude. Oh my. Wow. It's full on Grom takeover right now.
Dude.
Pretty sure we're outnumbered by Groms that are under 11 years old.
You guys are
Oh my, here comes the set of the
you
day.
guys are losing the heat to Dad over there.
Dude. Paula's kind of crushing it.
I don't know, bomb right here.
Sick, the sun came on. No complaints.
It was gloomy earlier.
Dude, what's up with that? It's September and it's still made great.
Yeah. It's still.
Little kids who you ran over on accident?
You're where you
kids are
brought
those?
most of the kids, right?
Whose kids are those? I don't know about that.
Dude,
I don't know about that.
We do best of 3, not a best of 5.
I saw Blair's turns.
No, we got some good ones.
I don't think I've seen that before.
Dude, that turn.
That
is sick.
turn to tail slide back, going mock
I think
speed.
my tail did all the work. I was
We've
just like,
seen me
didn't even
turn
do anything.
before. We've seen me turn before. Nobody needs to see me turn anymore.
Right, dude. That one turn you had was very nice. On the nice
That was
wedge.
just a little turn to come back to the beach. Yours was a bit, yeah, just a little check turn.
Damn, that's a little check turn that I wish I could do.
Did you happen to get that little stale? Yeah. That one, I need to keep practicing those, but if I didn't slip out, that would have been cool. Exactly, dude. Practicing for the barracks.
Go for it.
I do want to get one of those dang kickflips.
The one you tried earlier,
Yeah.
it spun pretty good. Below you.
You know, it landed like, did a full kickflip.
Yeah.
But the landing part's the hardest. I don't even know. I don't know how those Filipino dudes do it. They're so gnarly. First got down here, it's kind of funky looking, and then they just got nice out. That's how it's been the last few days too. Just weird foggiest, and then afternoons are just glory. I'll take that, I'll take it. Here comes the set. Going like 30 miles an hour. It's equivalent to like when you're snowboarding, going bombing a hill and you just freaking catch your back rail. Haven't done that in a while.
Front
360 into that?
That was gnarly.
That was Colt's probably personal best 10-3 wave. That was gnarly. still pretty dang fun. It's kind of like, I'm just skimmed out.